The Electrolux WellQ7 Pet cordless 2-in-1 vacuum features an integrated hand unit, motorized Pet Pro Plus nozzle, and onboard accessories to help make cleaning your home surfaces effortless. Our unique axial cyclonic technology reduces clogging by collecting and separating dirt and dust before filtering the air through the remaining filtration layers, providing a longer-lasting performance. Designed with pet owners in mind, the Pet Pro Plus motorized nozzle makes it easy to remove pet hair from furniture and other upholstered surfaces throughout your home. The powerful motorized bristle nozzle removes fine dust and dirt from carpet, hardwood, and other common surfaces, making it ideal for homes with a variety of floor types. Quickly switch to cleaning other surfaces around your home in an instant using the integrated hand unit. With onboard accessories such as the telescopic reach tool, simply attach it to the hand unit to easily clean hard-to-reach places. Maintenance is easy with our specialized brush roll clean technology, which prevents buildup in the nozzle by cutting stubborn hairs and fibers with the press of a button for a powerful and versatile cleaning experience.